Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm going to be trying out two gels today. One is super wet and the other one is the Popular Extreme. And we're going to see which one makes my curls pop more. So I'm going to separate my hair in two parts. Get my clip. Today I'm going to be using the LOG method, which is leave-in, oil, and gel. And this method is just a series of steps that you can use to achieve this look. And the look I'm going for today is a wash and go. If you have any questions about what methods are, or if there are any other methods you can use for your hair, please comment down below and let me know, and I can give you some more information or make a video for you guys. Today I'm going to be using the Mielle Pomegranate Honey Leave-In Conditioner, and that is the L of the LOG. I love this leave-in conditioner. It is my favorite, my number one. I love it because I have thick hair, and thick hair needs a cream leave-in conditioner. And this one is affordable, it's organic, and it smells good. So what I'm doing with damp hair, I am massaging the leave-in conditioner into my hair, and this does a great job of detangling, and it has lots and lots of slippage. So this is my number one leave-in conditioner. If you guys don't know which one to get and you have thick hair, I recommend that you guys try this one out. Next, I'll put some grease on my scalp. I have very dry scalp. I'm prone to dandruff, so if I don't grease my scalp, I get a lot of flakes and I have to redo my whole hairstyle over again. And to prevent that, I just grease my scalp probably once or twice a week. And after that, I grease that whole scalp, that section, and then I massage the grease into the scalp. Next, I'm going to put a moisturizing oil into my hair, and that's coconut oil, raw coconut oil. And this is the O to the LOG. And this is raw coconut oil, so it needs to be warmed up in my hands. So as you can see, I'm warming up my hands so it can become a liquid instead of a solid. And if you don't do this, or don't do all of those little pieces, then you will have small tiny white like balls or little pieces in your hair everywhere, and it may look like dandruff, but it's just coconut oil that you didn't melt down in your hair first before you put it in your hair. Melt down in your hand before you put it in your hair. And now I'm putting the Dannon brush through my hair because the Dannon brush does a really great job of making sure each strand is coated. So now I'm going to put the extreme gel on my left side. It's super thick gel. Then I'm going to work from the tips of my hair all the way up to the top, and make sure each strand is lathered with the gel. And if it helps, you can separate your hair into two sections if it's super thick and work it in that way. And as you can see, this gel is really thick in my hair. It sounds crunchy. Like why does
super
my hair
thick
sound
gel.
Like that? Ugh.
As you can tell by my face, I don't think I like it. Yeah, it's really crunchy gel. I like a more smooth gel with a nice hold, but this gel, you'll see at the end if it holds or not.
And again, This smells like regular gel, like doesn't have a weird smell. It's a fragrance, like a perfumey, like flowery smell. This is a stronger smell than that one. It's a little more masculine smell, but it's perfumey, but it's a little more like musky smell. That one's more girly, floral. This is more musk. It's not as much as hold, I can tell, as the other one. A little bit more slimy. Yeah, a little bit more, not as jelly-like. It's a little looser than the Extreme. It glides on the hair better. Definitely glides on the hair better because it probably has more water in it. Probably has more water in it. Whoa, and I'm distributing it in my hair way better, and I'm using less, actually. Whoa. Whoa. I like this one way better. Look at this. Whoa. This, bro.
Okay, I'm going to finish up this section of my hair. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to fast forward it a little bit. So this is what my hair looks like completely done. Both sides LOG'd and moisturized with gel. Boy, you better not choke. Hey, that's Key to the Streets by Lucci that I'm listening to off camera. That was the extreme side. Now this is the super wet side. As you can see, they're both really defined, nice and juicy, and we'll see what it looks like when it's all dried. In 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, snap! Less than $1.
This is how my hair looks after it's fully dry the next day, because I did my hair kind of late last night and I just put up a pineapple, and this is what it looks like now. So this side is the extreme. As you can see, it is very tame, more tame than the other one. The other side, it's more defined. As you can see, there are like strands that are more frizzy and not clumped together. And this side does have a little bit of frizz in this section, but it is more tame and less puffy. My monitor's right there. Just trying to look. And less puffy than this side. As you can see, there's a big difference from this and this. At first in the video that you, on the previous clip, you seen that I liked the super wet better, because when I put it on, it was less like tacky, and I felt like when I was putting this on my hair, I felt like it was like a clay mask. Like I was just like packing it on, it was just like stiff, and I had to like kind of like break up my hair when it was drying. And this one was smoother when I was combing it out versus this one. My hair felt more crunchy. So I changed my mind when I first was doing my hair, because at first I was like, ooh, this side gonna be better, it's all smooth and stuff, and this one's all tacky and stiff. But at the end of the results, the extreme is the better gel. It's not the best ingredients, I would say, but out of the two prices where you don't want to spend like $10, $12 on a gel, you want to spend 98 cents, the extreme is the one to go. Because other one, it has like blue dye in it and all this extra stuff to make you want to buy it. Like, ooh, it's blue, I want to buy it. But it doesn't have any hold. So if anything, I'll go with Extreme. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope it was informative for you guys to see which gel works better and which one you would rather purchase. So I hope you liked my wash and go ideas, my LOG method, and I hope you guys try it out and it works for your hair type. If you have any questions, please comment down below or hit me up on IG. And also, if you would like to see me do a different video or you have some comments that you would like to share with me, I'd love to talk to you guys. And I'll see you next time on that note, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!